Hello, this is a Bechstein model 5 grand piano, 200 centimeters long. We often restore these, and this is fully restored. And in fact, there's another one next to it that I've just done a video of, so I'm not going to take too long on this one, just to try to get some differences that there might be. And also want to compare it with a Steinway Model B. It's a slightly longer piano and a Feurich that we have in the shop. So let's have a look at the piano briefly. And I've done this so many times, you'll find many videos of this. We restored I think over 15, maybe over 20 of these in the past. I've lost count. So we're very used to doing this, and we talk about the rest planks being changed and so on. So you can see plenty of other videos similar if you go to our video channel, YouTube channel, and look up Bechstein Model 5 or fully restored or whatever it might be, and you'll find, as I say, other ones of this. So obviously cosmetically it's perfect. The key tops have been replaced. They're not original ivory. We usually do that these days, or very often, because it's very difficult to export ivory now. And not that we export too many pianos, but if the ivories aren't perfect, then we'll do that. So you can see the piano, and just like to appreciate it really. Obviously that's why we do particularly love these pianos, so that's why we do them. Here's the worksheet that's made for the piano, just very briefly, so you can see if there's anything I missed out by mistake. But key dip 10.5 to 11 normally, hammer blow 45, 47, that's excellent, everything's good. Just very little lubrication on the balance rail need to do on this, and otherwise you can see we've mentioned all of those things. And very important is the touch weight. Between 51, that's excellent for bottom bass, and really it's all excellent, so don't need to do anything on that. We often do on these fully restored pianos. They need a bit of touch weighting, but this is 26 up weight, which is, I'm particularly fond of these pianos because of the touch of the piano, so it feels beautiful with that low up weight. Just want to contrast the tone between this Steinway and a Feurich. Here's the Steinway Model B. This is made in 1975. And the Feurich 179, a shorter piano. So that's a Bechstein Model 5 grand piano, 200 centimeters long, made in 1895. And now we've restored and sold ones that have been made from 1885 to when Model 5 stopped, which was 1902. And it's one of our favourite pianos, as I mentioned earlier. Particularly love the touch on them. Very fluid. And of course we've set them up to be as much like a new piano as we can. There's no reason why you should buy a new piano if you're studying when you can buy a piano that sounds, to me, so lush and rich. It's the kind of piano I'd love to have in my house. I have different brands in my house. Sometimes they're ones that have been sold and they're waiting delivery, and sometimes they're pianos that I just would like to try out because it's a model that I've not had before. But I've had one of these before, and certainly beautiful pianos. If you're interested and would like to try the piano out, can't come in, please do email and we'll see what we can manage to do for you. We're here to try and serve as well as possible. And please write to info@robertspianos.com. Thank you very much for listening.